So next students, let us read our next question number 4. And it says, give expressions for the following cases. Understood? So here, they will be giving us a statement, and using this statement, we are going to form, expressions. Okay? So let's look at the first question. It says, 7 added to P. Okay, so here we have a variable P, and to this variable P, our number 7 is added. Okay, so the expression will be written like this. We have a variable P, right? And to this variable P, 7 is added, right? So added means plus sign. So P plus 7. Understood? So like this, we are going to form expression. Next, let's look our next question number B. And question number B says, 7 subtracted from P. Okay, 7 subtracted from P. So this also, here we have a variable P and a number 7. Okay, so the statement says 7 subtracted. So this number 7 will be subtracted from the variable P. Okay, so P will be written first, right? P. And from this variable P, 7 is subtracted, right? So minus 7. Understood? Next, let's solve our next question number C. Next question. Question number C. And question number C says, P multiplied by 7. P multiplied by 7. P multiplied by 7. Okay, so let's solve this one also. P multiplied by 7. So this also, we have the variable P and a number 7, right? And this variable P is multiplied by 7. So first statement will be, our first step will be, this variable P multiplied by 7, right? But when we write an expression, we must always write with the numbers first. So it becomes 7P. Understood? We don't write like this. We don't write expression like this. Okay, this is not wrong. This is correct, but we usually do not write like this. We start with the numbers first, and then we write the variable. Understood? So our answer will be 7P. Okay, next, let's solve our next question. Next, then we have question number D, and it says P divided by 7. Understood? So it means that our variable P is divided by the number 7. Okay, so it's very simple. P, this variable P is divided by our number, the number 7. So P divided by 7. Understood? Next, let's try question number E. And question number E says 7 subtracted from minus m. Understood? 7 subtracted from minus m. So here our variable is minus m and the number is 7. Okay, so 7 will be subtracted from the variable minus m. So minus m will be written first, right? So, and after this minus n, from this minus m, 7 is what? Subtracted, right? So 7 is subtracted. So our required expression is minus m minus 7. Minus 7. Understood? That means 7 is subtracted from minus m. Okay. Let's try our next question. Let's try our next question. That is question number F. Minus p minus p multiplied by, yes, by number 5. Okay, so here our variable is minus 5 and our number is 5, right? So, and the statement says minus p is multiplied, right? Multiplied by, yes, by 5. So how we write this? Remember what I told you? We usually write with the numbers first, right? But we cannot write like this. P 5 minus p. We cannot write like this, right? Between these numbers and between this variable, there must be a multiplication sign, right? So we cannot write like this. So how are you going to write? We will write 5 here. We will write the variable p here, and this minus sign will be written here like this. Understood? So minus p multiplied by 5, the expression becomes like this. Understood then? Next, let's try another question. Next is number Z. It says minus p divided by 5. It's very simple, right? Minus p divided by 5. So our variable is minus p. Our number is 5. So our answer will be minus p divided by 5. It's very simple, right? And we have one more question. For question number 4. There is p multiplied by minus 5. P multiplied by minus 5. So our first step will be p multiply means into minus 5, right? So you put a bracket and we write minus 5. Okay, so in maths, when we have two consecutive signs, it may be into or it may be minus. When we have two consecutive signs, we will always put a bracket. Understood? So p multiplied by minus 5. This is not the final step. So our final step will be minus 5 into p, right? So there's no need to write into again. So minus 5p. Understood? So this is our final answer for this statement. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoy it, and I hope you do understand all these answers, and I will see you all in the next video. Stay home, stay safe everyone. Please do take care.